ಕನ್ನಡ ದೇಹ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಾಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ನನ್ನದಿಂದೋನೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಿದ್ದಿರೆ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಹಿಸು ನೀನಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಂಪು ಹಳದಿ ಬಾವುಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೆ ತಾನೇ ಬಾಹುದಂಡ, ನಿನ್ನ ಯುದ್ಧ ಸತ್ಯ ಶುದ್ಧ ನಡೆಸೋಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೀನು ಕಾಲ್ಪಾಡು ಕಾಮಧೇನು ಜ್ವಾಲ.
Dasara is also known as Vijayadashmi. It is a significant Hindu festival that is celebrated across the India to mark the triumph of good over the evil. It is observed on the 10th day of Ashwini month of Hindu calendar, which is usually falls in September or October month.
Dasara is celebrated for two main reasons. One is for Lord Rama's victory and the other is for Goddess Durga's. Lord Rama's victory. In North India, it commemorates Lord Rama's victory over demon king Ravana, symbolizing the triumph of righteousness and truth. Goddess Durga's victory. In East India, it celebrates Goddess Durga's victory over demon Mahishasura, signifying the power of feminine energy and the triumph of good over evil.
Now let's get to know more about Dasara celebration. Pavitra, can you tell them?
Yes, of course. Durga Visarjan, immersing the idols of Goddess Durga in rivers or water bodies, marking the end to the Durga Puja festival.
Shami Puja, worshipping the Shami tree, which is considered as sacred, and exchanging its leaves as a symbol of goodwill and prosperity. Ayudha Puja, worshipping the tools, vehicles and ancestral arms, seeking blessings for success and prosperity.
Guys, can you tell us about the significance of Dasara?
Of course, Pavitra. Dasara holds significant spiritual and cultural importance like victory of good over evil, spiritual purification and cultural unity. Spiritual purification. It is a festival that purifies the souls and encouraging the individuals to renounce the negative tendency and walk to the path of truth.
Victory of good over evil. It reminds us the ultimate triumph of God and righteous over falsehood and evil.
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेधिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवर विन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखम
Prosperous Dasara.
ऐगिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेधिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवर विन्ध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि
Kushmanda of the Vedic cycle. Ma Karnavanda, mother of Sudha. Ma Katyayani, worshipped by the god and goddess. The 25 aspect of the divine. Ma Nandagauri, the blade